Hi everyone. In today's video we are gonna learn how to create this amazing preset which you can use for your own photos to improve them. This preset was created on our subscribers' request. To get the same result you can just repeat after me, or you can download the preset for absolutely free on our website, presetstore.com. The link to the preset is in the description. However, you need to have a password which you can find during this video on the right top corner. Also we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out guys. Okay, when I said everything what I wanted to say, we can start working on this preset.
If I were to the sea, baby, I never say, for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me, for I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone, just have regrets. So I won't go back, oh Lord, guide me to forget the time I lost with no regrets, and the moon shine back again. And the moon shine back again. When I drove down to Abyss, while I blame the world's neglect, Lord, I shine right back again. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone, just have regrets. So I won't go back, oh Lord, guide me to forget the time I lost with no regrets, and the moon let me forget. to the sea. Baby, I into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me. For I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, hold back. And you should know that what's never gone just have regrets. So I won't go back, go back. Oh, would have got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. And the moon shine back again. And the moon shine back again. When I drove down to Abyss, while I blame the world's neglect, Lord, I shine right back again. So I won't hold back, hold back. And you should know that was never gone, just like regrets. So I won't go back, go back. Oh, would have got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. And the moon let me
So, we made it. The result is just fantastic, isn't it? Let's apply it to other photos, and look how it's getting better. Guys, don't forget to like the video if you like it, or dislike if you don't. We appreciate every single opinion. Enjoy the result, and see you next time.